Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, Chaitanya Charitamrita author Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is describing the cause of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance. The cause is that Krishna wanted to know what is there in Radharani. He is Madan Mohan. Krishna's another name is, he is attractive. Krishna is attractive to everyone. Even he is attractive to Cupid. Madan is attractive in the material world. And he is Madan Mohan. And Radharani is Madan Mohan Mohini. Meaning, she attracts even the Madan Mohan. Therefore, Krishna is trying to understand what is there in Radharani, that she attracts. I attract the whole universe, and she attracts me. So, with this feeling, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Tadbhavadhya Lobha, these are all transcendental having happened. Lobha, there is greediness to understand. Tadbhavadhya Samajani, he appeared in the womb of Mother Sachi, Samajani, Sachigarbha Sindhu, Harindu. Hari, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is like the moon. So we have established this temple, Mayapur Chandroda. So this is the idea, that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is just like moon. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared in this land of Mayapur. Therefore he is said here as the moon. Therefore he said Chandra, Mayapur Chandra. Now, as Sri Mayapur Chandra is rising. Rising means he is to distribute the moon sign all over the world. This is the idea. Moon sign. Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. Shreya Kairava, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally said, don't keep Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu compact in your room and take some monetary profit. This is not required. This is not required. You must allow Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to rise more and more, so that the moon sign may be distributed all over the world. That is one. Therefore, this temple is situated. Of course, we shall try to construct a very nice temple for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This morning we are thinking of this. So, from this place, this moon, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will distribute Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivana. The Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Hare Krishna movement, Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam, this is spoken by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Cheta Datpanamarjanam Bhav Mahadabhagni Nibbavanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam. Vidyavadhu Jivanam. This is real enlightenment. People all over the world, they are in darkness. The moon sign will enlighten them. They're all foolish, mura. That is described in Bhagavad Gita also. Navana duskitanam mura prapadanti naradhama maya puritavyena asuri bhavama. These foolish persons, at the present moment, it is very, very much regrettable that they are passing on as very learned scholars, philosophers, politicians, economists. But according to Krishna's statement in the Bhagavad Gita, they are all fools and rascals. Why? Nama duskitanam mula. They are not surrendering to Krishna. Krishna came, appeared upon this planet, in this universe, to canvass that you surrender. Sarvadanman parityajya mamekam, but they did not. Therefore, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as a devotee of Krishna, he is Krishna. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Nam. He is Krishna himself. Krishna is so kind. First of all, he came as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he demanded, as God's order, you surrender. But people did not do it. Therefore, Krishna has again come in the form of devotee. Krishna Chaitanya Nam. Now he is ready to give you not only Krishna, but love of Krishna. Freely. Take it and distribute it all over the world. That is one thing. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.